Namaskar to everyone. So, it's a very interesting question. When we deal with people on one-to-one basis, you come to know that, in even in my, personal circle that I have seen that people are not aware of their own emotions, what is going through them. They just think that, it is happening. But why it is happening, they don't, why they are getting angry. They always, we also try to put blame on others. No? Mohiti has spoken about that it starts with self. We can control everyone but ourselves. So, this is something that I have seen very clearly in terms of percentage. So again, varies on individual to individual. But somebody would be 20% aware, somebody would be 30% aware. So that, of course, we cannot generalize it. And being a life coach in NLP, I would refrain from generalizing anything. But Dr. Priya has spoken about how emotionally led intelligent leadership is extremely important in order to be able to, you're not just leading others, but first of all, you have to lead yourself. In order to lead yourself, it is really important that you become aware. Mohit has spoken about, becoming aware. And even, before even becoming aware, you have to accept, this is my strength, this is my weakness, this is an opportunity for me, and this is a threat. And once we are aware of all of this thing, I think that is where, the self-acceptance, the self-awareness, I think everything starts from self. So, that is very, very important. But, can you repeat your question one more time for me?
Yeah. I was just that how many were unaware that they were emotionally shutting down. I've done my research as well. My fact says that around 65% and more are not aware that they are being shutting down emotionally when they're at work. So I wanted to have a reality check because you are the people who are, coaching the corporates. So that's so. So I'm saying, 20% or 30% or only people that are aware. That breaks into your universe who are not even aware of what is going on with them. I would take, rather than pointing fingers at somebody, I would like to take my own case. I have to deal with, Dr. Priya has spoken about, job चली गई है और बच्चे भी हैं घर में देखने के लिए, there is a Pita message आ रहा है, all of those presentations was this, that, and whatnot. And you have to, Moji has spoken about fitness. तो आपको पहले अपने आप को ठीक करना है, उसके बाद ही आप लोगों की टेक केयर कर सकते हैं. You have to free your own का, and only then you can, take care of others. तो वो एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है हमारी लाइफ का कि जब तक हम उसके ऊपर बात नहीं करेंगे, अब जब आप इन सारे स्ट्रेसेस से डील कर रहे हो, इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि आप उसमें खुद को कैसे नेविगेट करोगे, राइट? एंड यू कैन ओनली डू दैट नेविगेशन ओनली व्हेन यू आर वेरी वेरी इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट, एम्पैथेटिक एंड very have inner strength to deal with all of those things that goes around us. So it starts with acceptance, it starts with awareness. That is something I want to share. Thank you.
Wonderful.